Yeah, busia yeme nije yeme hosepe se ebrasui masan enewo ehia BWF Solicitors Facebook BWF Solicitors YouTube Abawa Radio so ewo UK PAAM TV so ewo UK ebi onso so menim se wa pick link na o share na amanfo enya bi because the community and the law is airborne. Yefem Oreku Frimpon, Menewu Eba Betna, Edijumedi, a free Sabri Copem Sendosia, Ebebo Ewo UK. Na Bosume Edua Yewomi, Senya, Unyamunde Mono, Yetuasio, we are singing say Yebitimi abo, Kukram, eto Nufumu, Titu, Ewo, Yenianum, and Ma, Yama, Menum, Yewafa Senum, and Ne Yama, Nufumuno, Yabohon, Edeuru, and a pay. Ya kamwa sembia ewie nso so ye de ho nkomo kakra ebebrɛw enye obi a woni yen ebeche nkrabia boye nyina kokɔ kaka yen se ewo se yehwe na afi ye boye ho eban eno akiri no nso so mepaache wo se ho dodo a ukohu doctor entisa eno kre baby a wo free ene baby a waba betena sesei titu se wo free amanone na waba UK na wo ba betena bia borobusumi siane ade yesi ye free bibi Immigration Health Surcharge sa sika ne tue ya pa manfo bosudwotre wo ho papa adenti ene wose ye gien sa sika no ne bo okra den na wantue akra den ene beye Immigration Health Surcharge ho enkomo me de ebrew eno nti makope nimdifo ne obi a wo musu hunu na afi waben wo mu lawyer ni na afi oba beche mu na monim se eba na saade na mitumika akọ BWF Solicitors won aseye ene miti ayeye me wo lawyer Patrick ewo ha Obabeboa me na afi yedi immigration surcharge no ho enkomo. Eno nti mobete nka na afi ni suahunu ene nimde owo ho no ne ya che. Questions no concerns ahodo ni nyina nso so ye beji na afi yedi ato nanim na onimpanimfo abobo ho na weya no de amaye. Wo text number anasa WhatsApp number no ana de obefre sumpo 07950 422 780 07950 422-780 and also over 0208 123 1016. Kaise eba ye lawyer for ye ji won tumu pa ewo ye UK Chrome ha na what immigration semene ade na ase na ye BWF Solicitors na ye ne won etwetwe enkomo BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London. We are Monday to Friday. Efi anopa 9:30 ede ekosi enwumere 6 o'clock. Na se obekwa akohu number me de emma we bomode a short to baby mami 0208 493 7340. We see number no so 0208 493 7340 ana 077 127 61884. Our trusted legal partners in the community, BWF Solicitors. One ena waso yemu ema yede the community and the law ede ebrewo.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi ti se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu enuntin ye to yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni how kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Ye senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel inti se taiwachi a wonni how kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 7 Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
BWF Solicitors are preferred community partners when it comes to the law. Abusia say what atena na fe when e ba be di dwuma ya me say wo ye ade ba ko ema me. Uko Facebook like page no na share. Uko YouTuber like page no click on the subscription button na when your notification na fe share it as well. BWF Solicitors. Yede adepa and the bro meminda area bia when we come on the program The Community and the Law. And then the yede bro when medical bo amane no bibia ye hwe efa the Immigration Health Surcharge. Na ehun komo no ehia pa wan na wo se ye genocide sika no. Say ye gisa sika na if you do was saying na ye de ma wona wo health insurance crash en kan hu hia say woni IHS for be din komo ana say et say abusia say when tiasa Immigration Health Surcharge na eden na ebeto wo wan na betimi aye obibie ana so say wo visa no yemfa ma. These are questions that are boggling you, and obviously you would want answers to those ones. Yes, that's why I'm inviting you to join me as we go along with the discussion. But answer no na watchi ebia no yema wo kwan ema wodi bibi ebo kotodwemu na miwia mebisa ho asem na memfa eno enikan emra na me mebisa se ye wo abofra na ne papa anase na wofo eye obi a omo wasetena e wo UK ha anase wo British passport immediately and automatically abofra no e be ye British citizen anase etesen ebre ben e na saade no e keke ina e ye adwuma. Now the new section 10A means that not just a bibi wo ha ewo na fe yede foforo abehemu nti meboboso na mapecha ama menuapani la Patrick na wachechemu. We say the new section 10A means that children born before their parents acquire settlement can still acquire automatic British citizenship. Children born to EU nationals and non-EU nationals qualify for British citizenship if born on or after 1st July 2021 if 3 conditions are met. Lawyer for say Yehwemu ye senior Home Office any British Nationality Act 1981 ehre no yehwemu ye ehwe ne ma miensa betimi ama abofra ye wo no before 1st July 2021 and say after 1st July 2021 ne status ACT obetimi enya British citizenship straight away. 1, if their parent has been granted indefinite leave to remain under EU settlement scheme or the equivalent provisions of the Isle of Man on or after 1st July 2021. The Tosumi was the application for this leave was either made before 1st July 2021 or if it was made after this date, that is 1st July 2021, that the parent met the requirements for the grant of indefinite leave to remain before 1st July 2021. The Tosumi and Sai was a meeting. For no HA muda bia say what did you mede HA provision bia ne hye bia da ho bia ne criteria da ho we assume say obenten ene kwadwo ene timi qualify we ntimi qualify we was ne ma miensa we de no under EU settlement scheme and afin so your application on or before 1st July 2021 and if it was made after this date the parents met the requirements for the grant of indefinite leave to remain before the 1st of July 2021 and they taught to me and some will say the parent is ordinarily resident in the UK at the time when the leave was granted leave in the mudi hen EU diano ana said na ukuta bia na ukuta indefinite and sana ya wo ba na ana say wo ba no kra na ukuta indefinite na da minim say lawyer be chere. The new section means that a child born after 1st July 2021 whose parents' application under the EUSS is not granted until after their birth may be deemed to have automatically acquired British citizenship on the date that their parent was granted status under the scheme. We, Free Section 10, British Nationality Act 1981. We will be open for Google, all the call a year British Nationality Act 1981. Boom say sections in the section 10A and lawyer for no ahwemu apagya de ababeto. Na me say good news for some people. Enti ma me call lawyer Patrick call na sisi me misa say lawyer Patrick many boss had we so adwoada na bra mo de to dwa no me hu ho me kakra because them say ehye ho na nso so ni yunhuni the man so I was thinking wo bere bi ansa na ade wadaruma abeto ho ye mo de na ma ye de wadaruma e ko ne say
okay me da say oroku tiefo nyina mama akaba onto a big platform is see our platform no agi ba bia ntino so it's great yes ntino emra ya wa boss yi emra foforo aban ankasa tenase ehun se as a sin talk akra bi ewo baabi
okay
nti waye nhihye ede akova sa sin to no
okay
ntino oma ye amendment in the law ye nationality law 1981 rana ede kire se obi tumi be ye ekrom hani no ama sa insachere na ba through British Nationality Act 1981 Immigration Rules Appendix EU Amendment Regulation 2021 and oma ahwe ede bibi fufuro abehemra no mu a ebema aye easier for certain groups of people, especially EU for omo krom ha omo pressure omo betena ha afebo no etimi abo omo ho bra ene omo ma omo bewo omo kra no nti such na aba no ma Home Office force so aye omo guidance to reflect sa na ban kasa aye wo mranu nti no the guidance note about for almost staff since the 1st of July 2021 version 5 British citizenship automatic acquisition version 5 no nti yesa mrano ede aba Home Office agiatum ede ahye wo staff guidance mu staff guidance no ena church kwan a case workers say case koto omonimo a eniema esese omohwe ene kwan a esese omo efaso ejina so na omo hwe asem no na somewhere there wo mu no ne de o kan se ne esitie no yan se obi wa ha na oye obi a oye EU ni na wabetena ha yenim se obetena ha oye EU ni ana EU ni ebusuani na unya 5 years epa ho a utimi ekoka kire aban se oma wo asetena afebo the feno indefinite leave to remain and as a settled status
okay
now the emrane kan nyina ne se why application no name decision by na ansana decision no ebeba no na bia wonyem na wawo na still na no decision in by name na after that no ya decision then it means akwala no betimi ato sa line na under your British Nationality Act 11 no say ya wo krom ha na wawofo no baako anaso mu ye settled wo krom ha ila so kuta nationality dada anaso say oyobi a oye settled so kuta indefinite leave to remain then it means acquire sa automatic right of citizenship no
okay
so the expectation is that obi a watna krom ha 5 years as EU din anana busuani no the expectation is that automatically no kra no o qualify because bear in mind say EU emrana edi adwuma no your right and your leave
okay
ntino the leave no is the UK domestic law immigration part no ntiano no de asa wo kosre bibi na ye ma but EU de no your right ade a ye amount
wo pe wo mpe wo dia
it is for you
okay
ntino asa wo so to me since Bianca war under the immigration rules.
That's right.
It is our right in war honintino. So what's now 5 years there? Now you say after 5 years, we are settled.
That's right.
So the old kosa ye mao bibia e kire se we settled no. Eno de nkabroni be ka say a tick box exercise. Because right in the wa acquire that only say oko ama ya confirm sa right just so that oko baby na oko ye adwuma anaso say bibi na oni obi edin sawoso bi a ubetimi enye bibi a ode bekire sankanya sadia then there would be no need for you even to go and ask for it, because it is there.
It is there.
So it is there. Now what akola no there, then akola no should be able to acquire citizenship from you. Sanya sa ankada the immigration rules unyambe ye settled you'd have to go through the process of becoming settled first. And sana say akola no ba wabenya sa automatic right But so on by a crana say why you settled akrana ba actually still ubetimi register akola. So it's good news for your EU for now. Your new omo eti ewo krom ha no say umbetimi take advantage. However, like you mentioned, there are conditions where SSA will meet. You need say SSA after the 1st of July.
Date
it applies, yeah.
Date muno and me ba minim sa manfo bebisa. And she said you were friend before 1st of July 2021. Na bia me mfa say papa no mfa say ye wo abofra no 1st of April 2021 or even an earlier date. Papa ni nyane indefinite. Na wo abofra na papa ni nyane indefinite. That's what I want to mean. Enti sa kwara no samra we insakra no e cover no. Me mfa say papa no nyane indefinite 2008. Abofra no ye wo no 2006. Samra nsakra we ebeka no.
Well, unfortunately, the law would not be applied retrospectively.
Okay.
It would apply from when it was introduced. It's been there since July. And no mama date, So yes, I did anka any ebeko ye chisama.
Obi had any day baba.
It's yeah, unfortunately, yeah, genocide. It apply from a date now, yeah, the man. So which is after the 1st of July,
Okay.
It's na yeah, the ebe juma. It's the young koyechi sa period,
Yeah. And no question am was that 3 criteria na mo de miansa na mo de beto ho ne de ne. Obi amiti.
Yeah.
But sabaya me nya me indefinite sa time na me wo badada no. Ebe cover na say encover.
Well, but bear in mind say uwo banu dada. Uwo banu dada na sa time na uwo bano. Na wuni indefinite. And afi wabenya indefinite na. Yes, ubetimi make application for the child to become a British citizen.
Okay.
But because now bewo akwala no now onye settled no. Akwala no enya automatic right to British citizenship.
No, you call register no.
Eno na sese ukutua kakra ma aban. Na aban so e de boy ho bra. Na otimi register akwala no e de ma as a British citizen under section 13.
Right.
And that is what it is. But in such a eba and issues to do with fee na you charge in kwala na you do register or more British citizens I think say a court ama ya twe ho man so ama court to cry you say no, it is so unfair. Home office enhwe na omo nya hu
bibi.
But sabe we kan omonti se dogo bi no abe.
Kwancha de fe ye se ye de sika na wasetena ebetimi agina yie ne nyina no so ye sikasem kroya eno nti se wo application bi na se wonyeye na wonhunu se ne abesi aye no na wanhwe ya akoye the wrong one na so de akoma obi a obema wo ho akyerewa na wokobo kapre no eno de ebe ha me pa eno nti we can form out say any BWF Solicitors any enkomo BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London with me after 0208 493 7340 Missy number no so 0208 493 7340 and there will be so my main train cry ɛna wafrɛ me pacho ɛbrɛnyi yanson so a mema wo ho kwan na wafrɛ but me di kan bɔ amane sɛ bosomi edu a yɛwɔ mu yi yɛ wɔ nhyehyɛ bi a yɛ ma amanfo nyinaa ate sɛ kokram ana sɛ cancer a ɛtɔ nofo mu breast cancer ɛyade a edi amanfo nya paa ɛno nti yɛnhwɛ na yɛnhwɛ no yie ɛno nti BWF Solicitors yɛde yɛn ho agye ɛyɛ saa dwumadie no mu de yɛka ɛne sɛ bɔmmɔden sɛ wohu nsakyerɛeɛ bia ɛwɔ wo honam mu titiri wo nofo mu a ɔbaa wo bɛma wo pini doctor yɛnua baabi ɛde ne ho agye campaign no mu a ɔne yɛn ato nsa ato kɛsɛ sɛ ɔno nso so ɛde ne nkra ɛbɛma yɛn ma yɛnti nkra ne yɛba yɛbɛtɔ yɛn nkɔmmɔ no so.
Every 13 minutes, a woman dies from breast cancer globally. Yes, every 13 minutes, someone loses a mother, a sister, a wife, a lover, a friend to breast cancer. Here in the UK, breast cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer death, with over 55,000 women being diagnosed annually. These alarming statistics from the World Health Organization is a wake-up call to all to join the fight against breast cancer. 8 out of 10 cases of breast cancer are diagnosed in women over the age of 50. It has therefore become critical that we encourage our mothers, sisters, friends, especially those above 40 in our community, to be aware and take their annual mammograms and breast cancer screening examination seriously. My dear women, the best way we can stop the spread and increase our chances of surviving the disease is by self-examining our breast regularly and visiting a health practitioner immediately we detect an unusual lump and fluids, even if there is no pain. Hello, my name is Amma Frimpong. Join me as I partner with BWF Solicitors, our preferred UK community law. Let us be part of the solution. Spread the word to your mothers, sisters, wives, lovers, and friends. Early detection saves lives. Thank you.
Yeah, abusia early detection saves lives. Senia yenya ba ama frimpon ade atoso ade amayeno. Nana ajimai oha o say Juan Oman Okran Oman Akwaba sanso so ena ode atumu se amanfo enshare program no yenshare Gina do say wo so yemo Akwaba wompini Adam onso wo so yemawo Akwaba yene ba ko eye Selom Marty o say o hwe from Dubai. Thank you very much. Salam, I've seen your question yede eno ebeto so ede ama lawyer na afi wadi ho dwuma ede ama sanso so ena yewo na hima please contact BWF Solicitors and book appointment. Well, Salam question no yebeya no and senior Uniaba Nahima Echer no ubetimin so afre BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors omo 214 to 218 Stockholm High Road no so ewo North London ubetimin akwako ho na afi odijumadi no ahye so anase watimi eya no ede amao. Yeah, abusia that's it. I think mama fe yemfa yenkoma na nkasa nhihye so along the line make I will say in your bana manyete be kai ho na yenkomo no ahye so ene me special guest the one and only lawyer Patrick or BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors or Nimemrano or Timrana say or then ho anasa unde ho bo won BWF Solicitors unya name the four to say lawyer Patrick Emma Wobwa sanso so and adodo we three no so ade amwa supporting programming wabra ye koso Doris Kesi wo ahoma no so ye da ase sanso so and la Patrick I say we na me say makada but me science so me wo fa seketu abi e wo Sheffield na say wo ma me kra che me see aye programming oh, basu say obe kasa also munum TV no because it's not my uncle. Oh,
Mr. Don't famine can the uncles no.
I feel me say me I'm going to borrow an uncle. Well, adofo sa na etie mama nyina ye ninje the community ne ye no ho. My friend ne gi ho na eno so eye pa. Awie me wo Patrick wa hasenia mo name no na me ba bebisa Immigration Health Surcharge. Sabe se oho bi ebe pie okrum ana se obi pie waboboa no ana wasuye na ne ho dodo na me nyinne se wo se ka wo ka kire ne se fa sika bra na mkoto aduru ansana mama nsu bi anom ana se na nso so UK ya say you will be a friend Immigration Health Surcharge nti wo so tue sika bi de ka application no enye sa wo yade a wontimi nko hospital ne ade sanity.
Right, yo Oreku, yes and no. Until yes, no, fana, okasa, se utuya bibi the camera. And then the no, says when tuya untimi enko hospital. Because
go is sick at Chia Bay, and Adia Banka, and then so yourself.
Yeah, so yes, Immigration Health Surcharge, aban shisha waye dia toho since April 2015 for omo pre ahwehwe visa edia free amanone edia backroom ha under the immigration rules.
Okay.
And the reason I emphasize the immigration rules sebeya you're confused with the EU settlement scheme, applications. And so under the domestic law, so application, they are backroom for anything above 6 months, then you would have to pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, Livia, Abandia Basse, Ubientuabi. The idea is for nipa na oba no na sebe onyan hyase embebo brabia wa ha and contribute towards your system no ono so ebe na famu de kakra bi from the beginning na oba no so that say that yan kwama bi bibisi na esese owasese yen health system na then at least unim say you've paid towards it. Into no enya dia.
Bibi ewo mu bia o say
That's right. So ultimately enjoy it, and it's good. Into no sani aban shisha waye. It is mainly for those who are coming for more than 6 months, and I say oba no aba settle ewo kroma. Omo ni nkofo a omo ye nkofo a sese omo tua sa IHS fee na.
Nti se me tiasia se obi ekwaje visitors visa. Se oba besra obi ana obebonani akonhoma ewo UK ha na less than 6 months there ye nje ne sasika
No, at all. Untia sasika no.
Okay.
And so it comes back to where na major one we see say untia ya untimi assess energies. So somebody like that, even though Emrano exempted from paying the IHS fees, so Baha still obenya access to your health system.
Okay.
I say no hondo dono a obetimi akọ na akwaje ayaresa. Sa nipa kure obetimi abie GP ewo krom ha. Na wako amaya
less than 6 months.
Yes.
Or you invest no between your GP or something.
Yeah. Obetimi be GP na GP ahwe no. So yare na no ho dodo no na se ohia se ye behwe na GP behwe no. So where abia sa care no eye secondary. So your primary care ne was secondary. It's primary care no would be bibia yemfa se ho dodo tipa wako hospital. Accident and emergency ABI or na poli na wako. But in front of wako surgery. This is bibia a major
one.
And the expectation would be say uyo bia or assistant wo krom ha and intino ye bibia mawa. Yes, ye nimso wa contribute towards it and ye ama. Typical example obi every amanone aba. Ebia na obansa he. For 6 months. Obano ebia na wafa fro kakra. Inti oba ya bedum pempensu obi ama oje nawo. Enya ade obetimi asa afo akok back. But oba for 6 months and also less than 6 months no akọ. Inti when tu IHS fees no. Even though through pregnancy no ye behwe no. Na de esese ye mama wo kroma nyina ye be ya ama no. At a point obekwa akọwo no, then we will begin to find out say okra no status den. And that is where the problem comes in. Because no na ye ko check say status ye den odi okroma anything na waba be wo no. Because there's the notion say in comfort to me free amanone ba. I be taking advantage of your system. Inti se sa na tie dia se se ya hihye emrado to se be ya be hu se we enya boapayo na wa free baabi e de ne yare bi aba ana se ne nyinsen bi aba just so that we take advantage of your advanced system no. Se sa na tie dia then you have to pay towards it. Inti you be sa na so wa yes you be bring bill to go and pay for sa awarding process now I go through no. Don't remember bill am
who boss so say your primary health care and ebinum year secondary obo ba kwa na me no so but obi a all babesra obi and so obransra hwekeke e wo UK ha bi a okoye no ne application no they atum say bi a metaba UK enti mumma me bi a 2-year multiple visa enya 6 months there near the amano sa nipa no obetimi aka say or your 6 months less than 6 months for ni bi ana say your man of visa it was for about 2 years even 5 years near there no sa nipa no you classify and say
okay until who sa nipa no the intention is not for you to come and settle here. Bear in mind say oh yeah application say oba nsahwe name because say oba multiple time nintino oje multiple visa sa visa no does not give you permission to come and settle here. No.
Okay.
Again, with sa application, you would have specified, say, oh, ubedi ebia 2 weeks, another 3 weeks, another 4 weeks, now I go back. So the intention is not to come and settle here. And yeah, mouse service no. say for higher akoniaba said the beya obeba betina. So yes sir. Because the intention is for you to come and go back. Time now also be back. So you are not expected to stay here for 2-year period visa now the amount. So you have to go back. And you are still a visitor or baha for few months. Now wasan come back and then you come back. Wabra onye se obeye hanum ukro. So then you wouldn't apply it to yourself, yeah.
Okay. And she said, Obi, each year immigration health surcharge na. I think for more or share any for more share. You be share a coin your first utiano. Do I was a utiano near there, but mommy and bibi and your man so senior Lawyer Patrick Attorney Bona or Chichi. Lawyer Patrick say, Uchia health surcharge na. A day and ubit me a show. For instance, me say me baba betina for 1 year, 2 years. Your mom limited leave to remain, and they have brought 6 months, so I apply not as a visitor. It is a mitiasa sikana. Metimi, mitia me metimi ako. Me nine hoke kamia metimi di ako. Sebe min kanti will be but Emma no fumuko kramia bay me call for checkup no many idea. Do I qualify for certain things? Do I not qualify for certain things?
No. So long as Yama will leave, bear in mind say now who will leave. And also say when you entry into assistant will chrome her. So assistant came with a condition say ubetria immigration health surcharge. Into what we are and the amount. Into say what you are near the amount we are entitled to all of the care now and can be a British citizen. And also yes settled to Kruma Obejano. You'll be entitled to do all of that. Again, it is even possible, say, a no prescription I demand or certain category more. Ubetimi nya wo free. Obi o wa no nya adwuma. Obi o wa especially omo yare kokrom yare sei no. Omo prescription ni omo nro ni a omo ye ni nyina no is normally given to them, for free. And you be out to now the 2.5 years leave and bar. Then yes, even though I work 2.5 years now the 2 room hano, we are entitled to all of the things now British citizens for a entitled to. You'll be entitled to all of those things as well. Whereas unless say ABIBB now a care be a sa care no import from abroad. Say sometimes you really be oha omuntimi hwe ha. Necessary bia they call other countries na ye kope ho ayaresa. Eno kra no most of the time no NHS for no any government no omutimi fa sa can be no mutua. But unless it be different no there you'd be entitled to all of the things now.
Ebi emfa wamapomodi enni agro kra. Enti baby oti wo wiase bia no bi kra no wo worldwide private health insurance. Yeah. Baby okobia yehwe no etwe ho sika specialist care bi o hia bia de man sa nipa no se oba na bibi nti also tena more than 6 months no na would declare also say because of private health insurance.
All right. And private health insurance now baha as a visitor. Then yes, you could use a private health insurance now.
Okay.
Because baha as a visitor, you'd be able to access all of the other care now. You don't need leave to remain to access. You'll be able to get all of those things.
Okay.
Inti se utia o ya wako GP ya mao prescription wako to no fine. Ubetuaka na waye it's fine. And also say send ye kind on wapoli wako emergency ya show wabefi. That's all fine. And now I register with GP. Into any man kiti bia ye nyina ye corny ye check up ya hwe blood ya hwe sugar those things you'd be able to do them. But your friend said to send ye can surgery as me BBSC na say ye surgery. Then you would fall back on your health private insurance to be able to do that. Say your COVID and it's you're able to say MERS. All of those things, say area oha as a visitor in a wenya. Yes, they will treat you for all of those things. Until COVID in Shishimu, investigation, I say, you know, you'll be a wenya be and answer wunya be Nisani Maninano. Yeah, adia, you'll be able to assess it even if you're here without leave. And also Baha with your friends and visitors visa, no, you still be able to you know, assess all of those healthcare way, you know, any problem. I know say during the COVID time, no, na nipa be brave abong say be a mini krata na BBC or better na, you know, it's something to allay the fears of yenuanom na omo saa situation no say o krom ha na oni nkrata e no nkyerɛ sɛ untimi assess healthcare na emom no say healthcare na wo call assess no e kɔbro e standard bi so a e bia na aban bɛka situaka. But even that, sometimes enye ni nyinaa na oma otuaka. Because omo no mo ye adwuma no say omo ye nipa
hono em de no
omo ye nipa nti no e bia wakọ watena kromo 10 years but sabe unyenya ahwe ba bia wakọ a wo gi ayaresa no sometimes no they don't know say wo a wo ti hoi unihwe so they assume say e bia watena 10 years no dey obi a watena 10 years why we okay. So sometimes they don't even come to chase you. But there are few, you know, hospitals in other areas.
We young couple before we go check Kambu.
No, I could tell now.
I could tell that.
You know.
Yeah, I would say I say I feel anyone be kind of me say me kai was say the community and the law and ugusu I will share wuti. Yeah, live BWF Solicitors Facebook and yeah live and so BWF Solicitors YouTube page and so live about radio so UK ha. And be also so yeah live PAM TV so UK ha. Now say ubetimi adjoini opesa wo de question any wo concern be eba number wo be free and I be text we send the WhatsApp audio or text 07950 422 780 07950 422 780 and I say we be free 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 Odeba yebejibre na afi yakenkan ana say aboso de amount ewo dwumedi eso mene eye lawyer Patrick na ewo dwumedi so ayede enkomo no ebre wo cheche mu Immigration Health Surcharge na yedi ho enkomo hwan na ewo se otua sen na wo se otua sa question dey obviously menya emisa exemptions na woman any idea no menim say bia wo situation bi mu a bia wadwen ye o say we are exempt and no obetim dia ba na mebisa but me na makwa akobisa bio anansa me Patrick atwan common so mebisa say sen na yetua.
So since October na kosro so since October last year and almost increase, you know, from £1,000 for 2.5 years visa now
£1,000.
So almost increase, you know, since then no they are called 1,560. So apply for 2.5 years leave to remain. That's what you pay. However, say kwala under 18 then omama a bit of a rebate kakra. Okay. No utia £470 for every year. No, yeah, for the whole 2.5 years. No. A year no a year 624 for oma 18 and above. Oma below 18 no. So apply for leave. Ewa had to say be no ma me no abusua na mo apply. Oh, dear, no 1 year, no, £470. Okay. So you just have to top it up. Now I say, okay, may I apply for 2.5 years? So 2.5 years, no, before 70 times 2, no, then you divide 470 by 2 and then add it to that. But without adults, no, yes. So 624, and then the fraction of that.
It's not 10 years, or you demand to 10-year route. So.
Yeah.
2.5 years be metia so 600 and over times 2.5.
Yes.
Until I come a second 2.5 na metia size can be.
Unfortunately, yes. Oh, so each time BR will be renewed, no.
Also,
just like you pay your actual application fee, no. For me, I feel, and I strongly, feel that it's fair, especially for somebody your man on the first 2.5 years. Na now a chance here it may be minimal, but still
contribute towards the pot.
Exactly. Into society pakrono towards your system, no tax, national insurance, nessa taxes now. Then why do they have to pay again for your friend is saying IHS fees no so or renewal? I don't necessarily and you're fair, but again, even though my home office at says and you're fair, now you're train home man so no again, because it affects you that much because say being affected
say meow
but I think it's very, very unfair. And hopefully, one day, you bet me at him kesiye pa bako. I'm all mad to say, yes,
but Johnny, my inking come pen muna but a lawyer say obi eba UK no about be when you say scholarship and I even cry when you admission into any of the higher education institutions. What you fees there? Immigration Health Surcharge, no? Sa students no which be?
Yes, that's all true. That's all true. Until the duration of studies now, bano.
Yeah,
and if it's an idea, man, it's a say utia for sa Immigration Health Surcharge. Yeah.
Say, minti I don't know. Because I say one of my scenarios say fee waiver a war near be money
yeah.
But say me hon so dyname.
Yes. Until obia who free a man on now but now or apply as a spouse about kunchen. Oh dear no dear. It is difficult. I know sir was it last year Home Office a new guidance to buy na omo ka se wo amanone na wo your application kra na wo ho nso ubetimi aye fee waiver but then eniema na ye bisao ansana even what me I qualify no meet requirements for sa fee waiver no oreku say ma 100 years one way untimi nya because anyhow untimi nchire saa niema no so then that is why you are there preku na watuaka but yeah you wa no there senior udi kan no abaya ye nhihye de ato ho a sebe wabɔ kwan ato enchen e de amayen se uti krom ha na wo fi se application ya wo beye sebe ohun so entino enya de a wobetimi atua ka abansi okay then wobetimi aye application say yemfa saa sika no enchew intino say wo application na either say aban de ni nyina echew anaso say aban say yenko no ebupen say 50-50 inti wo fa we na mesumi fa we because mahwe wasetena mu ahwehwe wo nkrata mu ehu say
nya dia obetimi
atua na emom kakra bi a ewo ho de obetimi atua nti wo fa saa aka no na mesome fa saa aka nti na ka no yemienu IHS na application fee nti sa ban hwehwe wo niema mu na ese fata se ode IHS ne chewa na ode no achew osi obetimi atua application fee 1052.20 no nti no de wankasa fa ball ho na tua aka But say yes, na ban who say sebe eye buruburu ja enko yie kra dia then aban de ni nyina be chew na emom no esese wo na wo demonstrate say uyo obi a umiti sa requirements no
okay.
because enya wa no keke na wo de koka o ye adwuma aban be pese obehu o pay slips
okay.
so normally 6 months aban pese obehu say saa sika na adwumafo tua wo no etua wa ehemfa na ekọ into bank statements are or the support to Sadia.
Okay.
6 months. So when the ebusunya netia na omo ejuma any accounter. Sa account ni nyina no esesa wo de ma ban including enkwala onu omotis. Omo accounter ni nyina no esesa wo de ma ban na aban ye nhwehwemu. The idea is aban person ohu se sebe enye se sika no wo ho ena wo de akodo oji na waba na o ka se untimi ntua nti aban pe so obehwe sa nhwehwemu no nyina ene nkwala but se bibia ye okay na onfa bibia nsi ya ensese wusuro. I've seen cases obi wo ho a o ka se kofa bank statements no nyina bra na afi dey I say you know obi be ka so no bank ba ko no kra dey me nyusu eda ho dada but se kwa aban ankasa ye nhwehwemu
okay
okoye credit check
ometimi ho sa wo bank account
so wo bank bi wo ho a when declampo so in as much as ebia eye account eye redundant na wo nyusu no still aban want to see the evidence say ampa say bibia anima te say wo na wo provide sa nyama ni nyina na aban etimi ye ne nhwehwemu na ohun sampa nipai osefata se yede saa sika no eche no yes it could be more family 3 or 4 say bibia to ya ebetimi de achemo you know recently I've done one for somebody family of 3 now family of 3 no sika na ye ka no the renewal fee and the IHS no o kan nyina boma reku is over £8,000
yeah
to do 2.5 years application. Inti sa nipa we sabe you know sika na ho because abroche sika no mano sane
na sika no kra wode ama wo no wode benkum de ama no
right age it no eni ho so ka so metua sa £8,000 plus
and na me misa na me misa say me fa na say me de me yire and me am mama yenu efi Ghana ba be come ho oba no ebeji spousal visa and nkwala no nso so begina me so ana say ye family no ba e was say metua health surcharge ne ma omu bia ba ko and say omu wo category bia family ebe cover
no you know o ye application a say nkwala no nyina utua omo IHS e de ma omo.
Wow.
So wo main applicant no ubetua IHS and then nkwala na omo ka ho no omo so betua IHS no omo nyina betua omo de individually
be na me difficult but say what mama approval say me settled e wo UK intimate me akofa me yire ne mema e de aba me ankasa no medikan me contribute to national welfare pot no dada nti sa me yire ne mema e ba oba no ba the expectation is oba ba ye adwuma no so aye contribution I didn't know what say me settled na me kofa my busuafo aba me twa sa immigration health surcharge
so very much say wo na wo ye settled no enya wo na ye agi sa sika na free ho nipa na oba na onye settled na the intention the idea ni say oba na wa be pressure oba ye settled no ono en contribute ye towards yen system no
okay
into no ono no na ye charge no sa free no because o dey do ni asem ye dim say o ye settled
omo ba be depending on me
yes
na me dey on buy
but yes una o dey omo ba but o contribution na why from day one no
na your
own as individual contribution and our make it so nka ka so me yire ne me mabeba in the future into no aban what me tax aya ate kakra so ka ho na me yire ne me ma omo ba omo so no that young kwama omo be use a health system na what me e dey aba omo ho bra. You didn't do that. But even that, you know, and she said, "Be any horse assets are buying to extra towards future plans." It's no buying yen. She says, "Say one now ye generous now come a buying sasikana. Be sure say a buying bedawase name bomono when it comes to say sa time na do now per se ebusuafo no ba a buying shisha wa ye dia to one say esese umutua IHS fee no and sana umaba and so it would apply equally to you and the family members who are.
Obi timi dodge first one. If I say amount, you do for 10 years or even 5 years. Now, when you first one, no. So when you from the beginning, the application won't timi proceed. And now so obi timi skip. Now later on, why you so bit
No, you skip. It is part of the process. It is part of the requirements as your application. Because when you are on reject your application.
Okay.
Yeah, because we invalidate it. Into no, and yeah, ombe allow say okay, what submit your application? And afi na over to your IHS fee. So when you are yes, omo betro na oma abo koko say untua wo fee no. Into no your amount 7 to 10 working days. So utuaka. So when you na ubu ani gusua. Then they will, do the needful. Now, I'm reject your application. Say, when to ya. But on better or more admin fee. It's normally about 25 or so pounds at your full second. Yeah.
Many about Doris Kessie at the SHB about. So, Lawyer Patrick, what about those working in the NHS? How do they apply for the exemption of these fees?
It's one more year NHS ne healthcare jumano. Obekaya aban yen hyehyɛ COVID yi besra yen ne sene ohun sɛ ahoka keka no sitie na ye nuanom ebo adwuma risk your life e de boa your system no aban any ba no ho so ma oyɛ hyehyɛ sɛ omo ye adwuma wɔ healthcare no kra no sɛ o pese o renew o visa na obetimi anya 1 year's extension for free a no kra no untua hwe but no say no ya ante ne pampan ni aban e de be dada no sebe or de be 1990 so but oye hwe a unhu hwe I know what clients are here ne there for over up to date they did not even cough. They did not respond. It, I had to tell the client now as I say ye pay bibia ye de be insiachi ba because then if not now I can and respond there. Then it means one here now obey overstay. So we had to do what we had to do. Not a care worker, not as such or in NHS and but later on, I buy by year in Shisha to cover all of these healthcare workers. Okay. Now, what happens in this? We a healthcare worker to send you by bisa. Now we are application now. There's no exemption there because we have care worker no into untuaka. At the point of the application, you would be required to pay the fee.
Okay.
Name no what your fee na wie no yenim so say since March last year 2020 no aban eyen hihye say utua sa fee na you would be entitled to a refund.
Oh, okay.
Inti what you fee na wie no obetimi akwa aban chen say yes o ye healthcare worker na say wo industry no mo why your application what you are fee no inti what you are fee no as say unya refund. So refund no one na wo call apply. There's omo tier 2 visa omo de ye adwuma wo healthcare system no omo no sa no o refund no e automatic nti so you be a wo tier 2 visa o de ye adwuma e wo health system no mu a o refund no e automatic, it comes to you. But say wo nyo be a wo tier 2 then fan say o leave to remain as a spouse and also leave to remain on the basis of a qualifying child now ABR or your pharmacist and I say or your radiotherapist and I say any of the other sectors no ye juma omuna sa leave no nekutawa and no there won't necessarily make application for the refund. Now but again you have to meet certain requirements and or bank state or pay slips juma na national insurance number, all of those things you have to provide them to show a banker and pass a yes or system. Now the say bufu kakra ni say
jujum
the bufu kakra ni say oreku application now what you have full cost of the IHS fee. Now a bank so entitled to ubenya refund. So who refund na? A bank funding in amount obumo. Obuno thought not the amount.
It's can you deal with?
Sikako ayufia.
I did quite bring you as well.
No.
We are waiting for Jimmy so now joining live our Facebook and say YouTube. Or live on our radio and our PAM TV. Minim say wa pick link and wa share. Oba amasumwa gatuso bakope da CP. You were missing in action, but nyamiadum yensa account and inti ma yente wonka. Ubetwin afre 07950422780 07950422780. Anase ubefre 0208123116 or text WhatsApp and fee or comments on ubetwin the same line so 07950 422780. And also obeja ewo yen Facebook page and also ebi also obetimi eja ewo yen YouTube page and also comment section ho na yebe pick ye na yede ama lawyer na wahwe aka eho anase wo de enkomo ede amaye. Eno nti me ba pick some of your comments na yede ama lawyer. Bako ewo ha yenu now free Dubai no so we no crowd ban temper anti let me pick that one up na mean from I don't think it's really related to topic no but en hardly question be fa emre be no wetime ede but I will say I would like to apply as a caregiver or a house help but I don't know how to. Please any help. You say we can say for office but mami miss is there any specific application be a call for be a person or be domestic help and as a caregiver?
Yes. Your application, your friend ODW, domestic care
but
worker.
well about so just hold on briefly me back here.
It's obia obeye juma ewo obifie as a domestic worker no or application wo ha obetimi ayesa application no. Then you now online. The applications then you now online. Until you call online now. Google appendix ODWR. A be the amount. Now what you complete is form no. Now ODWR.
Me there be a meka na sabi minto sabi. Yesi dokuna to share no na ben. Last week ko kan Ezekiel say onim de ntia meka sa na kom dem kakra de. But Bomadi anfa koma BWF Solicitors no mon share enfa amount. When say BWF Solicitors omo wo service be a friend document check. Nti say we are confident so obetimi aye application. Fine, go ahead and do it. But say obasi hwemu ma wo ansa no present here. Obetimi ade aba na what your document we the way ka ho anka all those things they do that service and you can take advantage of that. Inti many I mean so we Dubai there but offer UK number 0208 493 7340 yebehwe na afi edi ho dwuma ede ama mame kwa homa no so mini bi e wo so. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Edi say mame.
Yes, sir, the pacho me hoye.
Ye da nyame ase. Pacho yeti o lawyer wa.
Pacho mi di de ma mi ama. Me ka se free Chesterfield.
Yes, ma'am.
Me kunu e jaya wari e kakra. Na pacho na wari ni ye be ma ni ye EU ni. Beti e wari mfie miense echi na ase na ba mi jaya wari no. Na menja awari jaya ni krata no. Na me pese me ko Ghana kakra na mre bi no se mi team here mi ti bibi se mo se o se retaining your rights answer. Yeah,
Because
to
also
cannot
who send us situation is still
patcho.
lawyer be you ano.
And I'm patcho. My question I told me no say I think say be money the meeting to ne cancel tax so. Be say be man free krom ha kwa kwotena ni krom. Enti aye abase scan me ho na ye ji scan free. Na mpese mi hu say emre mu na was mi kotria say scan.
Okay. You can't do any lawyer you ano.
All right. Into mommy, yeah, that's a question. First question, no, why divorce and now when you decree absolute. Into no, person who say utu kwaya, as say we apply for retention of right and son our kwana. But you say o leave na ye dia amount, o stay na ye dia amount. Say still no, that's so ye juma say expire.
Patcho the spy.
Okay, great. Into say expire, you know, you have a discretion. Either say obey retention of right application. So yeah, because we know expire, now you've ceased to be a family member of an EEA national. No, on another 5 years. Okay. However, say person obey sa still obetimi to kwan na wako. Oba after 5 years no, obetimi apply for indefinite leave to remain and answer settled status as obia you cease to be a family member of an EEA national. It's no pacho mema eno nye so much of a concern to you. Obetimi akọ na oba brebe mu a ofre na yetimi ayama na so person train indefinite na either way no obetimi aye. Now with the council tax no mama, unfortunately no say ote efie na tisenie na mo ya awarefui na mudin da council tax so a mo nyina mo ye liable to pay sa council tax no. Inti say ye ntua sa council tax no na aban ehwehwe omo a omudin da so no na ye nhu baako na wo ho no aban beji sa sika na free ni nchen. Inti yes, mo nyina mo ye equally liable for sa council tax no. Inti unfortunately no as I say only aban dealing with this because udin edasubi udin edaso no was to say only say nipa kroi na moti if you hono nti mo na mo ye liable sem ubetua council tax no unless otherwise who could prove say no na won't if you hobi but who ko yes aswa you have to be very 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 careful because you know the now person say na ukuru nukura na on nti but also what you say I know say why you would divorce but on cross or line no as yet unya or settled status and unya or settled status no kai say aban ayen hihye say say ma wasetena na aban ekire oye hwehwemu no hu say ofa sedua kwan so na odege saa asetena na aban betumi revoke saa asetena na anaso so obetumi atwam nti no esese ututu sebe wanamonye na ohwe baby a pacho odi si why
Patcho that's a pan.
Miss me that's pa
That's it baby.
You, Yami Angel. So, 07950422780 and answer 0208123116. Lawyer, I obi text be one son ever call offer for son or say or pursue application based on the British child. What are the documents needed?
right and you know I would have hoped to obetimi actually be kakra but all your application based on ne bar or your qualifying child number one I obetire the relationship you know who will be a chesa akole obampa birth certificate is very important because no wo munyina mudin wo so abetimi edi adance again so only enye oni akwala no netia now oh yeah application no, on the basis of you having direct access to sa akwala no nti no be hia se ye nua ba betro letter kakra e dia bo wachidom e ma emu aye edu na wo de akire Yes, into Osha Oba, Madame Atrolete the account. And yes, so much. Baby, I would tell him so. Metihanum, say your rent in our rent crana. Sabi, Obiman Trebi Kakra or the amount now to her. Yes, only Panobet me Atrolete at the amount so. Or Simmons your benten. No, I worry and maybe a chuma. I said, not on it, Nebusianete. Name and Papa Muaba, and to see an unknown quantity. Oni Juma because oni status wo krom ha nti ontimi nya adwuma nti no oni ba bi da na sebe maye no mo a mama na betina me nchen
okay
duane kro obedi kura no sebe me na mato na wonye bi adi nti no sai nipa we oni ba bi te ba me na maye no mo a it will be accepted. Somebody in that situation no you could easily weed through the fee waiver application no na ye de no so achew because the position is because uni assistant wo krom ha no untimi nya adwuma unya adwuma so dia say uni sika oh yeah direct access application I'll go for the kill.
Well, we say a strategy and a plan. Nti bomodi an say oni BWF Solicitors e be di ho enkomo me kwa homa no so hello
lawyer with the membusa question kakra bi me da 10 routes so na 10 routes no ma tra 5 years ina me co renew for me third year na in fact third year me nya financial problem kakra because na fee na me baba ko area in fact a whole car me bro ya to save akra no I've said at the end of the day, no, and to me cry answer city. So to answer me no me in fact me sick nina asa and I make a renew no so no. I think for the third time no I have to pay 4,000 I think 200 including lawyer fee nina I could see 4,200 and I come 2 months na when now I was a me and to be frank, that's a me sika no. I don't know say now no is it too late. I don't know say because they will definitely tell me to go back to Ghana. So do I have any choice or I should go back to Ghana? Because it's becoming too frustrated for me. I don't know. I'm very confused.
Yo, Brapeni, with the Ebema Okosene, wa Kudisema, wa done it, but many confused and many frustrated. I can appreciate opposition or circumstance near my akosu, baby, I want ama sabi waboto kakra. But akwenya wo.
okay
Na sa akwenya no na, just about two takes ago, ya boss CCI.
right
Nti yenue wakwa ahonkyere mu opeso renew na application na odetena kroma but sesi asetena mu nye se na asetena mu nya yenue betimi aye fee waiver
okay
fee waiver no ya bohu de rosa bebre na atake advantage but ebinum so wo ho a atin se omunya nya nti ase ni ye nti wo kakra na also o de ma mia mintu ama de sa
I'm passing be
e kwan da ho a oreku yenkofa nguram aban ankasa na aye nhihye ne de ato wa ma obi wo ho a na the situation wo hwekura na ahomte nti yenu ebetimi aye fee waiver application aka ne 2 months ama ne brenaso esese osori ochina anopa na immediately offer lawyer na ye nhihye na ye fee waiver application no edema and then because said majority ehun echire wo with covid any ehun fellow any lay off buy any ade ntino obi ani sika inti dodo na esese o renew o application o wa ahonchire mu no o apply for fee waiver no inti ama pressure kakra wo ho inti onu se ya ne de ebewi esese osori ntam na ye de tumuma no immediately na ye application no na ye de ko so we ye application na a secure or leave no because it is why ye o leave application no na emma So yes, I feel waiver application now. A secure will leave no, Emma will leave no, e continue. Obetimi aye de so we be a juma na o ye kra na obetimi aye dan na o han a ne nyina obetimi ahan. Nti na very important say on train Emma leave no and also say on train ma enkodu ne mpompo so so ansana we pinchen in the for. As I say oye no abre we ye mu 2 months eni eche wan hwe ye na oye mistake a ebema ne leave no I spy nti onto anamon sia na onhwe ye kira kwan na ye moa no na ontimi enye sa
Ubehu BWF ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London ukohwa within afa Victoria line no wasi was 7 Sisters upie free train no mu free from hona oba sra use exit number 2 and we have a peer building bia ya 20 din Anna House ko 4th floor eho ena omo Monday to Friday a free anopa 9:30 ekopem enwumere 6 o'clock omo eye adwuma obefre won na obuka appointment ay 0208 493 7340 misi number no so 0208 493 7340 me nyanya obi a wa homa no so ye be pick some of the comments but I'm happy to announce say you about na mighty abeka yensa I am Madam Pink. It is a
Nyamia Dumoreku, Teja, breast cancer awareness, Nana. Yebo Undero, Intino. This is the pinky or the way.
Medium corner orange.
Oh, okay. What Benekaka?
My Benekaka. And once me who say, like Patrick, a chow, a pink auntie. It was good. Now, what to say?
Nyamia Dumoreku, Triminima, Obrega Crown, but to any day. And I don't need that surprise, you know. Yes, you better if for so I say, still I'm go so. Or money a way how more share it, you know. Yamin sure munina. Ya baby, a cry one so you beck auntie and big to mouth. Bisami and Macassa.
Mate, Yeni Ababi at the message about say this is the second time I'm listening. No, Abdullah Mohammed Behema. I'm listening to you, Patrick. May Allah continue to bless you for the good educational program. You are blessed to the community. Abdullah, I answer you that say.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So you were coming back. Good afternoon, Lawyer Patrick, Brakweku, and lovely people there. My Tiaba, inti mami phone so and home. Doctors say. Okay, I'm saying a fat question. There were okay. This one, Covenant Grace at the way by but enkata nimti ano. A lady was refused indefinite leave to remain after 5-year leave as family member of EU national. While she was appealing, she gave birth and the appeal was not successful. When EUSS was introduced, she was granted settled status in September 2021. Is her child automatically British?
Right. Into no, nearby case, okay. In himself, Emrano Ba, your friend is saying, since July, no, into a set Nanko or by after July, no.
Okay.
So, sign it here, dear, then yes, obey Ubia or qualify, yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, you were in your biwa, humano so, inti, una ba enche intene ne monko.
Yo, minimum. Say, oh, question now, person will be sana. My answer, question Ben, I'll put to visa.
If I show wa humano so na se kasa anti yetio.
Oh, okay. Then, but mina, I come 2 months national.
Oh, okay.
But however, I think say the most say say. Also, ukoya application na ni nipa no kanka oba na me no oba. Ano omo say o say o sign letter ne de akra no passport ne maka ho ansa. In fact, initially no in fact me ne ye bibia no metua mesika na me ye bibia o ye bibia ma me almost 15,000. Te metua wie no e na later o ka tell me say se so se me kwa koye indefinite so indefinite obeji me 5,000 account okay and eja me see you mate nti minim say so a obeji third this is the third time I make renew because
me nyabutre why na so obeji o sa 5,000 account
mene oba na mene ne ye enkrata no
eja da bi o nyabutre wo yira o waren de e de na oji 5,000 onim nkomo we mi ndi ni wachire why
mate
so otimase
mete wase ba
obi to boy bobo wo gina kwa ho
mate
good
but don't feel that
your point why
but
okay eniema bi wo ho a o de be mi na ebo ne to ba me doje bobo
o kakra ye ntiase I mean, what worry
you
no, I think you know, it be a wrong relationship. Oba what worry na one na wo.
No
na oba no sebe eba bam na wo gina akwala no so. Na wo so sebe wo ho atimi ahen ha wa. I mean, this is
and so worry and mama
it may be
miska we me kran kamintua. Because whatever it is.
Some more question kakra kebi wa ha. Na nipa kono minim se we bisa pen but or the abrems of amacho ohia emwaye pa.
Okay.
Enti membisa na ewa kakra enti no metu me boa se na me hye me lawyer yi die. But okay, I see. Or they can't take I made an application for my son in January 2020 and joined me in UK as a settled person in UK. I had indefinite leave to remain at the time I made the application. I met the income threshold and also my provided son's death certificate and other supporting documents. But unfortunately, his application was refused. I then made an appeal at the tribunal and eventually I won the appeal. The Home Office then requested my son's passport to send to the visa application center for the visa to be issued. To my amazement, my son was issued 10-year settlement route, which I believe my son should have been granted indefinite leave to enter. I would like to know if the Home Office can correct the mistake they have made and issue him with indefinite leave to remain, since I had indefinite leave to remain when I made the application. Into the question, and I say I have a British passport now. Into the question will be saying,
right. Yes, Manye. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Good afternoon. Enti me pacho ye nuye obisa question ye. Or your application under paragraph 297 as obia or the feno sole responsibility for akwala sebi ebia the other parent no eja no wo ho ana so say the other parent on sebi ebia waka baby enti akwala sa no your application a ye ma wo afebo a odeba ebedu UK sa afebo no manye se obia wo fie na owo asetena afebo a ohwe wa de na obehu se yes yama wo asetena no afebo but expiry date wo ho
ewo
10 years obia de a de be ma obia no even though aye indefinite no 10 years it do a na wasan akwa je foforo de ato aso ana so se bia waje wo your friend say o citizenship to say the ye agene dia na che say it's a penalty into no 10 years na dia ma no the same thing as your friend is saying indefinite no because yes, 10 years period, no, ena yedema wa vignette no, a better say vignette no ebedi, and sana, what me akwa akwaje, your friend is saying, bibi fufro, ubeje card, and so be do her, Sakurano be do her, as a so kwaje card, a so kwaje biometric residence permit card, no, either post office bia or mo nominate here, and answer say baby, or mo can say. Ombekobia. Eso kwaji sa card no. Ni nyina no ebe kire se or indefinite leave to remain e okrom. Anti mema ye nua no oni abobo se ne ba no ni indefinite. Yes. You are granting no indefinite leave obetimi dey atena kroma ache so or you settled. Yeah.
Okay, also betimi asende wo message at the aba text number is 07950.
Now, quickly, I wanted to add something to Wayno.
Okay.
So this person here, or yes, application here, your man are all bay. When we say or your application from outside the UK, into no, you didn't come say inka ubi a all settled no, obi to your IHS no. Now, where your application back and no, because all settled now or ye under 18 no, all settled no, unto your IHS fees no.
Okay.
No would be exempt from paying the IHS fee because onya indefinite leave no the other.
Okay. Minya NK. Me hwese me hu wo de na aha. NK anyway aba or say or abusua bi a oba in with EU settlement scheme but onya problem with employers since they can't get employment code from home office but they have application certificate. I know you're doing certificate of COA, Anna.
Yeah.
And see, what can they do to work?
Right. So, question here will be say there's a bit of confusion in there. And or say the family came with EU settlement scheme. I don't understand. So, I don't know or EU settlement scheme that I now say obey. Okay, I think I get it. This family member came into the UK with EUSS family permit. I think that's
okay.
And now we do have wire application under the EU settlement scheme for leave to remain.
Okay.
It is our leave to remain. So your application na home office FHBBM mu say ubi bia ya kama na omagiatum na omabro the friend certificate of application. That is to tell you, sir, indeed, what application now why you know a valid. Okay. But you need a decision yet. Into need decision. A certificate of application and that's what the old here Juma. You can say the share code. Share code no you get it once leave it's been granted. Because you call online or check say assistant and then when you search so assistant and say assistant. Then you'll be able to request that your mouth will share code. Unfortunately, as a sort of train kakrebi na application it go through. Once it's gone through, even it's a card and then my crana obey me and make a request for the share code. Now what me I'm a for yeah.
Okay. Me wo inya yaw bachi ajimai. Answer na me ma vini and say when you know people from my boy not to about na ya watch.
All right, that's
I know I say.
Yeah.
Please bro, hire Bonte.
If you are in a house.
If you are in a house.
Or if you have 7 Sisters High Road now. Exactly.
Anyway, Obi say call the office line. Sandra said and call the office line 0208-493-7340. Open from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Platform no so ede. Obetia friend we say send a text at the yes now.
No question back. Come cost ana.
Mpacho
Yo, okay. We no so ka say your friend is saying owoba akwala we di your friend is say 3 months. Na the question is say ni 3 months akwala no waba be strand wo UK ha.
Okay.
Nature say akwala empty ha. In the UK, but Akrana kita US passport. esan se ne maame ewo US and no papa no ewa ha say enti obisa say I would like to know if I can apply for indefinite leave to remain for him since I am a British citizen. I have enrolled him in a nursery for the duration he stays. His mom lives in US. Enti say ne ba no US apala and na waba betra no but one can redodo a obespend no and also na starting nursery because obespend some few times for her enti no obisa obetumi apply indefinite leave amana na look at a British passport.
Okay.
Papa no.
Okay. Into no, himself apply for your friend is saying indefinite leave to remain. Application no, yeah, from outside the UK near the aba. And you UK had now obey yes indefinite leave to remain application. It is a yeah papa na nka opeso or yes application the man bana. It's a sense or money from the state and son of aba.
Okay.
However, it's a so show set or sole responsibility for sa kwalawe. Yeah, this is our body reading, which means there's another person into only sole responsibility.
Okay.
Or the best application the ama akwala no de aba. Unless otherwise, or can say okay, well, so see the ma mini ho. Timia na imagine say wa call him so wa me na me hwedo into no or sole responsibility there. Then that's fine. However, the application itself no enye aha na ye no. It's say or from outside no de aba. Akwala na ba be do hai. Se bibi ntina se akwala no nko back a. Then se akwala no ebetena for 7 years a obetimi aye application na ya ma no asetena okroma.
Okay.
Intino that is an option for ono ye papa. And so utimi ehwe so obetimi aye sa there then that's fine. So nya sa there I think say you know this oma akwala no e call no ma me ho na e bia or your application for omu nyina under appendix FM say obia or your spouse now on any dependent or mobile abe join obia or your settled ewa hanum. I think say that is the option obetumi use.
Obetumi afrɛ yɛn 07950222780. Hello.
Yeah, good evening, Napome.
Nyame adom bɔkɔ boss na so e.
Oh, Nyamiado. Where there, Mr. Me were questioning you know, baby, eating me up.
O question no ye to boy bɔbɔ.
Oh, that. Where there, pick one. Me were me were exemption visa. And Makofa Obana Ababe Kamisa.
Okay.
Now, Obana no more based on me no contract no on 5 years.
Okay.
But on the paper now, you could say, you know, how much 10 years rule and no maintenance.
10 years rule.
10 years. But yeah, man, no, the card never expire after 5 years.
Okay.
It means you had need to file 10 years when
route no so na I don't know 5 years.
Okay. And a second one, so yeah. Maybe some go find Kolani, but me miensa. But me start a Juman or please live 5 months per. Intimacy say bet me I could farm more banana.
Oh yes, so only in year Juman. You know, yes, bet me put two resources together. And on nkwa na asa wo nkwa. Sisi o wa hai or ha legally. Into na juma bi a or ye bi an income bi a or any bi ano or any sa income no legally. Into yes, bet me put two resources together. Na makwa kofa enkwala no e de aba. I'm a bit confused with also 10-year rule and no na me so clear about say on the other hand also the amount of 5 years
10-year route now cannot 10 year
ebia or 10-year route but then also the amount of 5 years card I buy expire
card no na your man 5 years or card so
yeah
okay
it's a bit confused. Listen, Pacho, obenya bra, obetimi etwa we know their brain WhatsApp na ya share. Then we can see, you know, exactly what it is because on the one hand, no, your mouth card chese or 5 years as a spouse of ubia or army person. Now osa wo another letter chese wo 10-year route. I'm not quite clear on that one.
Okay, paper near the man no say I say, in mind that you are currently on the 10 years route to settlement. If you contribute to meet the requirement and have been appropriate application for future leave to remain, you are likely to be eligible to apply for settlement in 10 years. Yeah.
And the card, no, biometric card, no, also 5 years.
Yeah, biometric card, yeah, actual 5 years or so.
Right. Okay. So 10-year route as a spouse, you know, you're about 2.5 years, 2.5 years on a 10-year route. But oh yeah, army officer. And I man based on sa o status as obi a oh yeah your friend is saying, oh yeah army person. Near man of 5 years. So when you're 5 years new year, he should be able to apply to settle. She should be able to apply to settle. More your application, no more worry now.
But only a worry.
Or your application from outside nearby now.
Our application no Ghana.
Okay. And a man of 5 years now.
And a man of 5 years, but why?
Yeah. I mean, you know, oh yeah, settlement now, oh yeah, spouse 5 years no you apply to settle here. So I'm not sure why my man of 5 years now almost say or not to 10-year route. So there may be something somewhere which I'm not getting.
Because resident permits no man no valid until 31/12/2024. And the man 18th of March 2021. Spy partner leave to enter.
Yeah. I mean, I understand all of that. What I don't get is the 10-year route bit now. What letter him know? I will dig into that. Into Obeja will contact Amaya, then we'll look into that for you, Pacho. Why?
Me pacho you.
Okay. All right. What's the other why? You mean ensure for your call?
Okay.
All right. Offer us to me after 07950422780. And also we send a text, WhatsApp, and audio note. Now, what they my somebody's asking, what language are you all speaking? Is Akan or Twi, that is one of the major languages in Ghana. We'll give you a summary of the whole thing in English. I understand you are keenly following us on the program, and we would get you along. What we actually discussed earlier on is what the Immigration Health Surcharge is and what the entitlements are. Does it really entitle you to access healthcare here in the UK? Lawyer has graciously explained all those things and giving us the various scenarios and the criteria to qualify or even have an exemption to that. We are now picking up calls and concerns and questions. And come on, maybe na ada na also me.
Sorry, Obi, send a message na nkame bebo na any say me di kan tie ansa na nsa ma wo no. Nse ba mo. No, em say me amete no ma summarize na the abroad.
Okay.
Ma me break akra.
Mate, that's mami me lawyer mami me sir we sir Obi ewo indefinite leave to remain. Opese anaso oya hoboa na wako yene naturalization or the application natum. Then he has a child. July 2021, 10A of the nationality.
Nationality Act.
Very good. The British citizenship and naturalization go through no. Se owo abofra before he is granted that. Qualifying status bedding. Obetimi qualify automatically to become a British national.
Nti or settled status.
Yes.
And on him.
And on him.
And
all
the
naturalization. And my. And wow.
Okay. Nti share your British Nationality Act. Section 1, subsection 1 now. The air can say you war akwala wo krom ha. Na at the time na you war akwala no. Na wofo ni bi settled wa ha.
Okay.
So bear in mind I use settled.
Settled.
Or you settled wa ha. Sa akwala no automatically no obewa be a British citizen.
Okay.
Say you share section 51, section 50, subsection 1 of the British Nationality Act na oreku. And also define obi a or yes settled ewo krom ha.
Okay.
And that definition no say nipa no owo krom ha restrictions bia edi ne leave no.
Okay.
Nipa ya sebe wafa free a or be we or yes settled. Say obi is settled either say or indefinite leave to remain under the UK immigration rules and also say you be a permanent resident under your old regime regulation 2016 EU and also say you be a yamount settled status most afo ni nyina mo ye settled sa so na obi a yamano British citizenship no ono so is settled. There's no your friend is saying can be dichotomy.
But calm down small.
Into insunsie bia na obi a or ye British citizen any obi a or indefinite leave to remain omu nyina no omu ye settled because restriction and na omo asetena ho ewo kroma nti ye nua bai say anase ye nua bai mai a okoye ne naturalization ye da nyame ase but say ma ya eno nkyese so wo akwala na akwala no enye British so wo akwala no na ne naturalization no ye approve man na still no akwala no eye British citizen.
Okay. 07950422780 me wo text bako ewo ha yemfa to so ne efri ho na said na are ready na yafa ono ne de no or then we will go to our quiz segment na yede no aba na wiye. This one says thanks for the show. My question is I would like to invite my mom who is 63 years from Ghana for a visit to the UK, but the problem is that doesn't work because of she doesn't work because of age and health reasons and wouldn't know how to prove strong ties in Ghana. What should I do, please? Ne mama is 63 or say or invite the man and bar you say oba obeko ane then then o Ghana akondodo nti onye adwuma nti obeye ne day.
Well, I mean, Oreku Sebi, a Juman Kwane a dear, Ubetimi, Ejinaso, a demonstrate to say, or strong ties, or Ghana, and because of that, uni intention, be said, O Babet Nakruma, Oba Obeko. And you don't Kwane at the There are so many other things. Sebi, you is to send your okay, Yamami Crano, on Tiapo. No, on Tiapo, dear, said not just a Juma crowd there, and no crime, ma'am. Yes. Sa ne medical report and ase BWF so on tiapo no kra no another document obetimi use. Again, ebia na owo efie bi a sebe nyame aye na doma odo ankasa si na ade. Ebi kwa na nya wawo de a na emum o rent nti wo tenancy agreement. Ba bia o rent no, o rent wo kakra na wo soso ya wo de a. Even though illegal is enya wo na wato anase wo na wasi no, but o rent nti wo right so occupy sa space no. Okay. Excluding Obia, unless Obia we invite Sani Pakron, including even your landlord, unless there's emergency now, they need to get into your property. Into yes, Obetimi Chesa, Ebia now your Melko crowd leader, into no software actually tekama. Ya mami, Sabe, or no share a ma, Omo, a sorry mu, a jenche ma omo, or ma wari komu, or ma womu, a quayombe faso, besis you fee, on be kasa achiro mo kunu no mane ne ekeka ka ye maami na ebo ye sa ne mane nyina sebe yete ne so ani asori ye nsi ne fom ye ne na ekọ na eba na ekọ na eba mpo oyare kura no still ogusu bua yen e wo sa kwan no so bia na owo nkwala bi okura o hwe wo mo sa nkwala no nyina ka ho ma otimi e demonstrate sa ampa sa wo strong ties ebi kura na owo kunu so wo ho a one ne kunu enete o ma me abrewa sabi we 63 years obeja ne kunu ho na wabetena awowe mu na okoya na oba
masemi bi na ade ababeto na meba also but give me just one moment I mean taking the very last call because you ndum phone until obi agba room dey na che say we room
hello me patron me din the birthday
yes
patron me the program no and I see maybe some question the question is now me what pre-settlement but me not 5 years it's me call we year no like I must say 5 years utimi start apply for settlement but me apply no almost like the brand say I already have the pre-settlement so I should stick with that.
Or pre-settled status that and I also apply so ukoji indefinite no I'm so pre-settled to stick to that okay
mo yuram kakra ebia menuaba sorry ebia nepa no wanhwemu yie I don't know application awaye but my understanding is pre-settled what's now so 5 years and over right
that's right
into no sani emra ne tie no na pacho na waware yi ni ana na se kwan be so na odinya
oh me dey me di free on e buy
pacho di free hin e buy
me free in a ban my bet like me 5 years me
what the free Italy in the buy
o pre-settle no free Italy in the buy
me come catram the bahasi
oh we are Italian national sa na tie
I try
all right okay we are Italian national wa betena over 5 years yes into yes we are Italian national wa betena ha no why is as you tutu right and akra there with new regime no and who here so be chere so as tutu right you need to show residence into yes why you nyina wadi more than 5 years now you'd be entitled to apply for indefinite leave to remain and I say settled status check it in patron na hwe ebia na mistakenly no oko apply for pre-settled nibium instead of indefinite leave to remain ebia wo clicking oko click baby ema ekoye mistake timpacho check na hwe se nyesa ofren na oba ye behwe kwan ye befa so na ya apply na ya giama because I don't think it sounds good na ya jo settlement na ma why
all right me that's papa
and that's me
me feel like we are
for 0208
okay
493 7340
7340 me that's
Italian casa me das ye can say
grazie
gracias okay me das miniaba na afi ma me bra wo so na ye hwese ne esi me gracias na wani aje ho sa don
gracias de na ko so eno ase wa fa glad
okay Mati
okay me have a question now or bisa me sre not early I think say early corona yi na oye na application na ochia sa IHS na January 2021 year na wa koye mo waye health can I say assistant dia or ye nto bisa say tama oye application na onye ma wo health sector na sisi a oye no no so to make qualify so on the refund na
okay that's a good question itimanye ye nua by oye application na onye healthcare worker but sisi oye healthcare worker na watua IHS fees no ye nim say IHS fee no utua no to cover the duration of leave na wa apply for no sisi a ye nua by apply for sorry what shall I say ye adwuma in the healthcare no yes obey entitled so obey apply no so age a refund no but bear in mind say send ye di kan no enye the otria ni nyina na aban ede mano. Say or apply every 6 months. Na oje kakra ede free aban ho kopim so aban betimi etu. Aban de ka bebre.
La Patrick, one say, and no, Patrick, one say, no. The upper Chinese said, on say, or your application, no, I think you, Emira Betim, and as see, I talk for your refund now. That just says, you cannot cheer, no, and Rena Cowan in Nima or Obe renewed in Gratano. Now, or your refund now, and I think Ubenya a move twice, until Bisasa, let just say, then sign cat name na.
I said, we application now, na unye juma bia ma IHS. Intino, your friend said, oh yes, application now won't qualify for sa refund. And from say, oh yeah, no, nechino, we should note say refund regime no estate, 2020. Your friend is saying March. And apply. Intino, wa sa time no. No application then yes, you bet me I qualify for sa refund. You should watch that date, now on for embu nenkonta. Now okona chibebra na wan kuto because then she is asking Abino to apply the law retrospectively,
which does not happen.
And yes, idea and can just say or the mayina.
Me saying bebre. Well, let me see and say afi na obeka yen sa. That was say why elite. So you haven't lost everything. You ba be call yen quiz segment no so na me bisa was say san komo ya me ne wu edi from the beginning no. Okay, and answer it is saying the new section 8 and section 10A means that children born before their parents acquire settlement can still acquire automatic British citizenship. And no, and ye didi ho enkomo. And inti me ko na fe ma baby saw ho asem. Dedi kaim ame emisa se ye what scenario way saying ena ye behuno. Effie was born on 2nd of July 2021. At the time of her birth, her parents were still waiting for a decision in their EUSS application for settlement. So our question will be on 10th October 2021, Effie's parents were granted indefinite leave to remain. What is the likelihood that Effie can make a successful application for a British passport? Maybe so. Maybe 4 scenarios. The 4th one here, none of the above. I know the wow prefer. 1. At the time of birth, her parents did not have settlement. She would not qualify. Number 2. As her parents did not have settlement at birth, she would have to register as British before she can apply for a passport. Number 3, as she was born after 1st July 2021 and as her parents had pending settlement application which is now granted, she is a British citizen automatically. Okay, now I'm waiting for your answers. I'm in now. Nah? Oh, dear.
Yeah.
Hey, answer me. Nah?
Yes, me
Give
too.
me an answer.
Oh, I will mute her now.
You're too pa. You're too pa. Any mute, mami answer.
Sorry, sorry. A question in my name.
Okay, mommy, let me just say. Don't worry. I'll save you. Okay. First one number. Yao Bediako as Buasiako, sorry, Yao and Buasiako say number 3. And K SA number 3. There was Sandra Fraser. Sandra Fraser say a very interesting program. I love this program. What do you answer about number 3? Nah? Okay, now make your choice. And I'm saying
Sandra, be careful. Already now, say majority carries the vote.
And say, oh, when that's number 3, oh, so what number 3? Oh. Okay. Yeah, share. Your non-lab you see in number 3. Okay. Rebecca
Internet,
Asante.
no,
Rebecca Amwako A. Rebecca Amwako say number 3. Okay. Sandra, you're excited. Thank you very much. Yawo Yinya Ya Asante, number 3. Okay. Number 3 seems to be very popular. I mean, go ahead, number 3 there. It seems to be very, 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 very popular. Number 3 is saying, as she was born after 1st July 2021, and as her parents had pending settlement application, which is now granted, she is a British citizen automatically. Okay. And see, yeah, what going to say?
Yes. I think so. Additionally, ekoyi.
That's right.
You know, as I say, you're born Lord Bill Abaso, because you know, utie answers
Abana. That's right.
To say in Kofo, and yes, omutie keke, but they are following keenly.
That's right.
Because who follow keenly, you know, some of these questions, you know, it be difficult to.
Some of the answer by an tricky.
It be very difficult, you know. Very difficult for even, you know, be to class.
Because you're lawyer for no more kabut now.
It's no, yes, you remember community in Abaso, you remember your tea for the Asha for you remember Abaso pa.
That's right.
Na omo ya dear, omo talk and kosusa.
Good.
Because I think say Rafu for na bana ye kind editor omo. They listened.
That's right.
And yeah, omo you did to Facebook ni nyina so no mo hwe kan ehwe mu nyina to be able to get it right, no, you should have read it to get it right. It is own kind here. Na de ye kan wa ha so no mo follow. Then you know enya de ankom betwa. Until yes, oreku sane manye kan no enam dodo na no ensen kwan. Until majority so carries the vote. Sane ya kan mra no section 10A no sane ye chirichimu earlier no akire yen ekwan a se obi ye EU ni na onyim na obewo we twa no 5 years na wie obewo na nyame aye nadom wa apply for settlement ewo krom ha but settlement no emmaye na settlement no emmaye no wawo akwala no after or on or after the 1st of July emra foforo na aban ahyehye akuchiri edi aka ye British Nationality Act no ho no eno no kire se saa nipa we no obetimi ne bana obewo no on or after the 1st of July 2021 no obey British citizen automatically. This saa gap here ma plucky is to give saa EU for nkwala no the same right as Ubia obe attaining British citizenship automatically under 1-1 no. Sa gap no ena oma plok no, which is very good because the idea is yakase EU assistant no a right into no ideally no nka wonhia bibia wo de be kire because ye wo de adada eda ho. However, adwumasem edan han ne nieman kitinkiti bi ntino okoji bibi na wo de a kire se ampa se ewo ho. Ye hu se ye maami we're trying 5 years away. Bibia a one application who bia kire say application we a be successful. It is a be successful there. Then na enya afi na ye twen say enye successful answer because ye nim say e be successful. It is so wo there na akwala no nyame aye nadom otimi twen ehodu won kakra bi e na the cross so eye first of July. No. It's no kakra bi no the cross line. No the be rua July no nyame adom oba so na aban aye nhihye e de cushion ne empa ase keta no kama e de ama no o say akwaba.
That's right.
O national di no so ni baba yi nti sa akola no ye frɛ no abrayi.
Okay.
Nti no your answer no
number 3. Any case the rest are taking answers from the first 3 who answers the question. As our girl Queen Mother said, majority carries the vote. Let's just say, obviously I'm 14, but people are following.
Oh yes,
that's the most encouraging bit of the whole thing. If you didn't get it, look out for the next one that will come out Monday before 12 noon. The better in social media platforms are doing so YouTube. You have YouTube on YouTube. You have the excerpts and especially the English summary that Lawyer Patrick will be doing. Will be live on there, and we'll paste it on our Facebook page, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter as well. At BWF Solicitors, at BWF Solicitors. And until Mami, same time next week, another edition and another segment. The quiz segment, at the bro. Nana for what's okay. And Mirza, say well done. Thank you very much. Okay, me cancel so no have meeting to majai. Yeah, auntie na be sorry na fe beda lawyer ase. I mean him se bia bibi wo ha de be jayen in a brief moment na sana ye de answer da hodo na ba.
Well, Reku, Bompire Senya, maybe boy in I home by. I think say Enra, I mention it with na say your COVID no. I say kakaka serious beam. It's necessary you're very careful because you're titi say a buying a plan B be at the atoho. So plan B no and yemane woman no a be betimi going back to certain restrictions are you call your peak no buying edi ye call mo no nti as I say you're careful for young kasa ye cry ye ho ne ye safety edi ye health into no as I say to me observe sa restrictions na buying edi buy those days na as I say you continue na you follow those way no because ye who say job no mienu no kra no wa it doesn't give you some 100%. Passport to be a IHS oh COVID free, COVID who na obedojo. No. We've seen the example of Yankasa Papa Colin Powell, yes. Yes, so go through complication, even though now I wore 2 jobs. I say a bit careful now. Ya dream and nada complacent with the way I handle ya so no eko anaso say sisi ade nyi nipa 5,000 newu 200 newu 300 newu and my woman job ntino I'm okay. No, we are not. Ntino ye besre ye nuanom no say ye nyina ye observe say oba office na ye hye marks a say be enye bibi na ye ka ye ka ne say esese ye nyina ye boy ho ban. Because when I will by Sebe, it be out the public transport and answer why the car cry, it be a wave will be an answer be a window. Anything at all you could have picked up and then come in there. Miss now Baba Tomino. Me chinchin build him, it be cry, me Timesi former contestos, a coto bibi ediaba. You don't know who I met. Any dear my pekia mediaba. It's see ye na your boy and who young buying. And the only way to do that is to observe the protocols, na aban so atimi hu say ya ade am sure say plan B no or the bekwa kwotro kakransa but yen hye no so say this is hovering in the air ebetimi aba na ye nyina ya observe sad yeah
but we dey one now we kan
wow right okay so this is coming from
now the cause
yeah, we're grateful. We're grateful to Lord Bill. Yetitia Nanamomu, and We're grateful for the encouragement. We're grateful for the training. We're grateful for all of the things now. And my yensu yetimi betena ha na ye kasama sebe nkofo tie ye na omunya aresiemu ewo ye mu se de ye ka no enye yetirimu na yabo anase yesirimu na yabo e na ye ka bibi ye ka bibi a omo de omo ho to so a eye. It started from somewhere, and we're grateful to him. We pray say nyame bekoso abono ho ban nimde ni mudo. Sometimes you get one or two things incorrect and you have to get it right, and that makes us. That really makes us. That really makes us. So we're so grateful to him. God bless him and the family as well.
And Tobam, I hope so one year late, but on all the salutation abetired to Kenneth. Kofi Ofori Boateng, Ose Uncle Kweku, Uncle Patrick, and BWF, I salute you. Now, so we salute you as well. I was for Yadamwa say, Munya Yahon Adaje, na fi Mutie Yang, Emma, and Yamanina, Etimi, Echo, Kama. Bijidi yes, or question me, or concern me, na opese, or sign a day about Obitimi, Afre BWF Solicitors office number no 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Anna obesende WhatsApp and text a day a call 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. And ya kwabro so kakra nanso so na ye community nurse friend who has partnered us to support a pink campaign, the breast cancer campaign. Na odarema ansa na ye besore no. Ma yentie no. Na ye wie no a na afi ye de ewie. Nti se wo bibia can briefly near there no ewie na ya boy closing ade na sorry. Then I would be T4 near her for ansani sorry.
Mate for ye be koso adamas te manya bre na mo de ahwe na pink awareness and as a breast cancer no kakra anope misminya one of the advocates people Ghana on make kan ho a ye de asresem kakra ne se ne omo pa che ne se ye nkru no no ida husbands or our boyfriends or our partners no eye dan a de omo so mususu kakra enti no te bia wusomo a na echembia wususu o se won se ade de bia me de me nsa ba kustomo a ekobu kama na abede me me nsa kustomo a bibi there's something bibi asesa wo ho enti yankro no mo no nso mo nwaye na embia na ye yanko hu ba wo nso ade bia wusomo na wo di agro no bibi ti hu chima kakra o se o mo nso o mutumi hye ho nso na omo ma yemfa enko hu yenji nti bisme de kakra me de beka oreku ansa na ye ma me nurse to de me de na ba me da city for Damas.
I say now my tea but in bio same time next week. Asada encore lawyer Eunice, lawyer Richard, Sanso na asada encore BWF Solicitor staff ninyina. And Ramoya DB man you are all having not even a touch of pink, but you were very pinky and you supported the campaign so very well. When you say, "Sani mo yano if you be a more dressy traditionally share in Ghana and Ontario, and more my breast campaign and come up. You put all the pictures on social media platforms into your Facebook page and so on. Who say, "Yang I want for any for BWF staff in Nina so for your contribution to this program and to Professor Ade, my manager and production director, and I feel so to Sheila Ankra, my marketing and admin manager, and of course to Padmo Dodu, my designer, and to everyone that's been part of this program. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Nyami Aduma, same time next week. And I am fasted so Emma partner community nurse, Mame Ama Frempong, for your message. We'll be back same time next week.
Every 13 minutes, a woman dies from breast cancer globally. Yes, every 13 minutes, someone loses a mother, a sister, a wife, a lover, a friend to breast cancer. Here in the UK, breast cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer death, with over 55,000 women being diagnosed annually. These alarming statistics from the World Health Organization is a wake-up call to all to join the fight against breast cancer. 8 out of 10 cases of breast cancer are diagnosed in women over the age of 50. It has therefore become critical that we encourage our mothers, sisters, friends, especially those above 40 in our community, to be aware and take their annual mammograms and breast cancer screening examination seriously. My dear women, the best way we can stop the spread and increase our chances of surviving the disease is by self-examining our breast regularly and visiting a health practitioner immediately we detect an unusual lump and fluids, even if there is no pain. Hello, my name is Amma Frimpong. Join me as I partner with BWF Solicitors, our preferred UK community law. Let us be part of the solution. Spread the word to your mothers, sisters, wives, lovers, and friends. Early detection saves lives. Thank you.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father, you done